Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this REALME. You need to begin by opening device's settings, scrolling down and choosing password and biometrics. Now tap on Add Face, enter your current screen lock and click on Continue. After that, remember to keep your face in frame. Then click on the switcher next to Rise to Wake over here to enable or disable this feature and tap on Done. After that, you can adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to and click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my REALME. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!